to my channel. My name is Ami. If you have not seen my channel, please do well to subscribe. Show me some love and make sure you stay tuned because I come today with a sensitive topic that I would like all of us to deliberate on. Yes, I know that many people have been searching, oh, what will I do to amass wealth? It's not just being wealthy, but to amass generational wealth. So if you are this kind of people, please come closer because we are going to dive into the secret three money making principles that is hidden from all of us, which they apply practically on everything they are doing, and they are getting results. And it's helping them enormously. So, if you're interested in knowing that, stay tuned and make sure you stay till the end of uh, this video so that you will gain everything that you needed. And I promise you that when you apply it in your life, in the way you see money and the way you think about money, you will make it life. Do you know that 80% group of wealthy people or wealthy individuals uses these three successful principles? What are these principles? You will know as the time goes on. I know. Don't be in a haste. But join me as we dive into the world of wealth and see if we can uncover these three secret money making principles they use to build their fortune. Are you interested? Oh, please join me as we move on to unmask these three principles. Yes. Wealthy people have always seemed to have a magic touch when it comes to money. Is that true? Please, I want you to comment on the comment section and tell me whether this statement is true or not. They make smart investments, build successful businesses, and seem to grow their fortune effortlessly. Do you believe they grow their fortune effortlessly? Is it true? Please comment on the comment section. I need you to tell me whether it's true or not. But what is behind their success? You might ask, what is behind their success? Is it just hard work? Or are there deeper strategic principles at play? Stay tuned because we will know soon. Many of us think that wealth is only about earning a high income. If we just make more money, we will be set. Wow. But that is not the whole story, unfortunately. Think about it. There are plenty of high earning individuals who still struggle financially. Is it true? Yes, it is. Because I can see many of them still struggling. Of course, they are making more good money, but they are not building lasting wealth. That is because wealth isn't just about income, it is about what you do with the income. Did you believe that wealth isn't just about income, but what you do with the income? Let's see. The truth is, wealthy people don't just focus on any more. They focus on building wealth through smart strategies. They know that it is not just about how much money you make, but how you use it. And that is what sets them apart from the rest of the humankind. Can you see that? These strategies are not just for the elite. Anyone can learn and apply them. But understanding and implementing these principles, you can start building wealth regardless of your income level. Can you see that you can do it if they have been applying it and getting enormous results? You can see you can do it and get results as well. Yes. Wealthy individuals often have a unique approach to money. Yes, I think so. They don't just work hard, they work smart. Do you know what it means that you don't just work hard, but instead of working hard, you work smart? They know how to make their money work for them, and that is a key difference. So, what are these three secret money making principles that wealthy people use to grow their fortunes? One of the most powerful principles is the concept of multiple income stream. Yes, multiple income stream. Create it, you will see how far you will go. Yes. William Buffett, for example, has built his fortune by diversifying his investments across various sectors. He doesn't rely on only one source of income. He has multiple streams that contributes to his wealth. This principle can be applied by anyone by starting a side hustle, investing in stocks or real estate. Another principle is the power of compound interest. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, had built his wealth by investing in real estate and letting the power of compound interest work for him. By starting early and being patient. Yes, another one is being patient. Yes, if you are not patient in strategic principle in making money, I can tell you that you cannot be able to make it. Yes, anyone can harness the power of compound interest to build wealth. So, it's not left for only the elite. Yes, it's only for you to apply it and be patient with it, because anybody that tells you that making money is easy, tell that person that it isn't, because you have to exercise patience. It's not when you start it immediately you begin to amass that wealth. No, you have to build it gradually. Yes, it's a gradual process that when it starts to work in your favor, you will thank your God and you will have a last smile. Yes, because there is always light at the end of tunnel. Yes, you cannot start today and start making millions and billions of dollars like Elon Musk. No. Go and ask them for their story and you will know that it is not easy. They have to start somewhere and build it gradually. And before they reach to this extent, they really suffered. Yes, they really suffered. So you have to do it. Create the money and be patient with it. The third principle is the importance of financial education. You need to be educated and read and research deeply so that you will know what people did, how they really control this money. It's no matter of making money, but where the problem lies is how to manage the money. Wealthy individuals like Elon Musk and Richard Branson are known for their business acumen and the financial savvy. They understand how to manage risk. You can see, you have to, number one, you have to understand how to manage risk, make smart investments, and they build successful businesses. By educating yourselves on personal finance and the investment, you can make informed decision that helps you build wealth. Can you see the things that you really need to? You needed to work on yourself in order to make this. Yes, you can't achieve it by just sitting down and you want the money to perform magic and create the money and earning that money. Even if when you are earning that money, you need some level of education on how to manage the money, because if you did not manage that money properly and they make informed decision that helps them to build the wealth. So if you are unable to do this, I promise you that you cannot amass generational wealth. Yes, quote me anywhere. Yes, I am telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. Of these three principles, I believe the most impactful is the concept of multiple income stream. You need to have multiple income stream. Yes. Think about it. If you are relying on just one source of income, you are putting all your eggs in one basket, and it's not very good for you to put all your eggs in one basket. No, it's not good. But if you have multiple streams, you are diversifying your risk and increasing your potential for wealth. Can you see that? Take the story of Chris, who built a $1 million portfolio by creating multiple income streams through blogging, speaking, and affiliate marketing. You can see how this person increased his part of income. Yes, you can do blogging, you can be a content creator, and you can be an affiliate marketer. You can do all sorts of things, and you can even work remotely to different companies. You will have your different hours of work, of shifts. Yes, or you can set up a business for yourself, because all these people that I'm calling, they are entrepreneurs. Yes, if you want to make enormous wealth, yes, it seems as those that work for people that they count money and give them, they are not, because your whole time is being devoted to that work, and some of them don't even have enormous time to go into other businesses. But if you are an entrepreneur, you can diversify your income. I didn't mean that those people that are working, maybe working for people, are not making it. Yes, you are making it, but you need multiple source of income. Think about, if they lay you off your work today, what will be your backup? So think about it. I want you to start thinking proactively so that you will make an informed decision on how to diversify your income, and it's going to help you to work less, work smartly. Yes, instead of working hard, you work smartly. So it's going to help you enormously. In conclusion, the three money making principles that wealthy people use to grow their fortunes are multiple income stream. Yes, if you see from number one to number 10 richest people in the whole world, you will see that they don't just have only one business. No, they have diversified business. They've diversified their income stream. That is why they are where they are now. And it's not easy. It will take everything in you. You need to be proactive to rewire your brain for success and to know that this is what you will do to survive in this world. The power of compound interest and financial education. So you need to be educated financially. You don't even if you don't have money, you have access to social media, you have access to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Many people have dished out everything you needed to know about how to manage your finance. Yes, and then how to build an income stream, a multiple income stream, and then how to generate revenue from different angles so that you will be earning passive income even if when you are sleeping, your money is being credited in your account. Some people are like that. They don't even work 247, but the little hour they put in their work, they make it big. Yes, they time to get many things working smartly. So learn how to work smartly so that you will earn enormous income. Yes, you need to be educated, you need to research more, and you need to read more. Yes, read, challenge yourself. And if you are seeing this video, make sure you comment on this video, subscribe, and share my video so that many people that needed it, that have been asking some questions, how will I build that multiple income stream that they have been talking about, we see it and see all these things and put it into practice. I'm not talking about listening to me alone, but try to practicalize it, put it into practice, and you will see the enormous results. I want you to come back to my channel and tell me that, yes, I have applied that thing you said and it's working perfectly. And I tell you that it will yield enormous results if you use it adequately. Yes. By adopting these strategies, you can significantly impact your financial success and they start building lasting wealth. Can you see what's the benefit of practicalizing all these things that I have said? Putting into practice these three money principles that the wealthy use. They uses it and it yields enormous success. Yes. So which of these principles do you find most useful? So ask yourself, which of these three principles do I find most useful? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are interested in more insights on wealth building strategies, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I am going to dish them out in my next video and you will see everything that I'm talking about. Thank you for listening to me and do well to subscribe to my channel. I remain your dear lady, Ami. Yes, thank you for listening.